Vehicle normal.
A successful trial of the Shaurya missile was conducted by India. What is Shaurya missile? The nuclear-capable Shaurya missile is a land-based parallel of the submarine-launched K-15 missile. These ballistic weapons belong to the K-missile family. They are named after late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the center figure in India's missile and space programs. They are launched from Arihant class of nuclear submarines. What does this test reveal? Shaurya was examined for several advanced parameters compared to its earlier tests, according to sources. Shaurya is a canister-based system, which means that it is stored and operated from specially designed compartments. In the canister, the inside environment is controlled, thus it will make its transport and storage easier, improve the shelf life of weapons. These recent tests of these systems can be looked at as a strong message to China and Pakistan in light of the present situation in the region. What are the K family of missiles? The K family of missiles are primarily submarine-launched ballistic missiles (SLBMs). They have been indigenously developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO). The development of these naval platform-launched missiles began in the late 1990s as a step towards completing India's nuclear triad. Nuclear triad, the capability of launching nuclear weapons from land, sea and air-based assets. Because these missiles are to be launched from submarines, they are lighter, smaller and stealthier than their land-based counterparts. Their land-based counterparts are the Agni series of missiles, which are medium and intercontinental range nuclear-capable ballistic missiles. What are the variants? Land and air variants of the K family have been developed by the DRDO. Shaurya is a land variant of short-range SLBM K-15 Sagarika, which has a range of at least 750 kilometers. India has also developed and successfully tested multiple times the K-4 missiles from the family, which has a range of 3,500 kilometers. It is reported that more members of K family with ranges of 5,000 and 6,000 kilometers are also under development. What is the strategic importance of SLBMs? The capability of being able to launch nuclear weapons submarine platforms has strategic importance in achieving the nuclear triad. The sea-based underwater nuclear-capable assets increases the second strike capability of a country and thus boosts its nuclear deterrence. These submarines can survive a first strike by the adversary. Also, it can launch a strike in retaliation, thus achieving credible nuclear deterrence. The 2016 commissioned nuclear-powered Arihant submarine and its class members are capable of launching missiles with nuclear warheads. The development of these capabilities is important in light of India's relations with China and Pakistan. What were the other recent tests? In January 2020, DRDO conducted 2 successful tests of the K-4 missile from submerged platforms off the coast of Andhra Pradesh. These tests were a key step towards ultimately deploying K-4 on INS Arihant, which already has K-15 on board. There has not been any official communication from DRDO about the recent tests, which is possibly because of classified nature of K-family missile projects and their close link to the Advanced Technology Vehicle (ATV) project, of which Arihant class vessels are part of.